born to be free.
Take it to the chorus. Come here, girl. Go ahead, be go. Come to the back. Go ahead, be go with it. VIP. Go ahead, be go. Drinks on me. Go ahead, be go with it. Working with. Go ahead, be go. With those hips. Go ahead, be go with it. Make me smile. Go ahead, be go. Go ahead, child. Just sexy up. Just sexy up. Just sexy now. Just sexy up. Just sexy up. Just sexy up. Just sexy now. Just sexy up. Money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money.
Top of the afternoon to you laddies. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Welcome to the G Spot. And we dumped, man. We dumped and then we pumped. Just like I said we might yesterday. So we have a lot I mean, okay, you'll see what I mean in a second here. We kind of have a lot to talk about. It's a lot, but it's also not that much to talk about. But before we do that, I need to just say a couple things. First of all, let's get those emojis in the chat if my mic check is good and the volume check is good, okay? If the music volume is good, let's start with that, okay? And as I say hello to all of you, I just have to tell you a couple of announcements that you don't care about, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. The camera moved from there to here. New angle, okay? New year, new me, new angle. The other announcement I don't remember at the moment, but I will tell you later. So, let me say, oh yeah, I remember. I forget that in the intro, I tell you guys to roast me. So when I come in, I'm like, damn, like these guys are being so mean. It's funny, but I forget. Anyways, what's up, everybody? Happy Friday. I hope you guys had a good day, good week. And I hope that you guys survived yesterday's massacre. Now, we did talk about it, okay? I did say the low is not safe. We're going to still talk about it now. We're going to talk about what that means for crypto, what that means for our entire narrative. But before we do that, as always, guys, just so that you're aware, every 100 likes I get during stream, I do a giveaway on one of my boot camps. So if and only if you like the stream, then hit the like button, okay? Because I believe in earning your likes. I don't want you to just press it. But if you're new here, my name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And so that is my goal here. That is my intention here. I'm going to teach you what I know about the market, which arguably is nothing, because hello. Disclaimer, all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. So why would you ever listen to me? But we're going to be talking about what happened, man. So make sure you stick around, guys. It should be a good show. And of course, it is Rock Fridays, baby. So we're going to be hitting those notes a little bit later. Before we begin, hello, Phil. How are you, my friend? Welcome back to the stream. I'm glad to have you here. Matt's in the chat. Was popping. Razor. So are we long in the shorts? Wait, you're confused. We shall find out. Bitcoin Bear says the Asian session was insane, and I agree. We shorted that bitch down to the low. We took profit at the low. It was a beautiful evening. All right, Rendell says, good evening, good day, everybody. What's poppin'? Rendell, welcome. Tommy Luck is in the chat. Baker's food was good. Jets here, what's poppin'? Big Neck says, Gio man. I didn't even time the song to end exactly the same time that happened. What's up, Big Nick? Crypto Mike says, yo, Goldie Crypto, let's go. Gio, let's go, Goldie. How are you, my girl? Gio for president, let's get money, let's get it, baby. Igor's in the chat, was popping. Sizotto. One day I will actually say that correctly, I promise. Mark Dutch is here. What's popping, Mark? I'm not naked. I hope Gio isn't either. No, I'm actually wearing pants today, even though it's Friday, and Fridays are Commando Fridays. Naked from the waist down. Smash the like button for the treadmill midget. The midge mill. That made no sense. We're gonna move on. Jason, what's poppin'? Defo, a kid's bike he's riding. Dude, I thought I covered that perfectly. I don't know how, like, what gave me away? Was it TMZ? Did TMZ leak my pom-pom handles again? Definitely got the stabilizers. All right, who else is here? We got the bird next door. Was poppin'. We got Spontan P. Was poppin'. Non-stop ties in the chat. Let's get it, baby. Crypto Mike. Oh, man, I just missed a lot here. Tom, oh, where am I? Oh, my days. Oh, my nights. Oh, my. All right, Tommy Luck is here. Next year, I'll be at Ultra and go straight down to Panama for a total. Yo, I'll meet you there, bro. 100%. We're going to run Ultra in the VIP tomorrow, or next year. 100%. Gio, where is Jason's walking pad? It is right next to me, but today was leg day, and we're kind of chilling right now, but later in the stream, I'm sure we will turn it up. Patrick Power says Trump 2024. I'm with that. All right, guys. We got to talk about what's going on with Bitcoin, man. We absolutely got to talk about it. Let me see. Oh, man, we're catching. Oof, I can't even keep up with these comments. All right, I'm going to go quick, man. Bitcoin Bear, Tommy Luck. Masood, I'm doing wonderful. How are you, my friend? Menno's in the chat. Crypto Mike. 4 a.m. your time opening long from 59. Yo, let's get it, baby. The long was fire. My guy, I am sick and I want to sleep. Can you just tell me what do I believe is going to happen? It's coming, bro. It's not as simple as that. I always try to give Gio one roast. Yo, give me the roast, man. Let it come. Gio, where do I find my vector candles indicator? It's not my indicator. It's actually called Trader's Reality Main. So if you come over to indicators and you write traders reality, shouts out to Big Tino. That's the indicator right there. Do I think the earth is flat? Bro, everything in that disclaimer is sarcasm. Literally everything. Every 100 likes, Geo grows an inch. Guys, if every 100 likes, Geo grows an inch, please hit the like button for me. I'm just kidding. Where did I short today? I didn't actually short today. Love you, Geo. I love you too. All right. Well, okay. I can't even keep up, man. I can't even keep up. Yeah, trans reality. You can't say it, bro. I'm Middle Eastern. I can say whatever I want. Reality, we're going to train that. We're going to train on that. Croatia in the house. What's popping? Croatia. What's up, Ukraine? Where do I think we're dropping to? We're going to talk about it, man. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it. All right. Okay. Guys, hello, everybody. Welcome. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And today, I mean, last night, man. Last night was pretty crazy, okay? So, I'm going to have this be an extension of last stream. Okay? Hi, baby says, Geo, go to sleep. Listen, babe. Listen, baby girl. I can't. Okay? I can't. If I could, I would. But I can't. Baby girl. All right. We're going to play catch up for what happened yesterday. Okay? We're going to play catch up here. What do we got? We got our scalp TA from yesterday. All right. As you can see, I don't know why that even moved, but we are just in our range. We're still in our range. Okay? But things are a little bit different today than they were yesterday. So if you recall, if you were on stream yesterday, then you know what I was saying yesterday. And we're going to pull up the clip so nobody can say that I didn't say it because I said it. I was saying yesterday that there was a potential that we were going to come and take this low again. Okay, so while I was streaming somewhere around here yesterday. Okay, people were saying pump it, pump it. Shouts out to our boy Jared was saying pump it, pump it. Geo, you're an idiot. Geo, you're a dumbass. All right, and I was like, I don't know, man. The low's not safe. And we ended up hitting the low. Why did we hit our low? Well, yesterday's stream. If you didn't watch it, go back and watch it because you'll learn a lot. But on yesterday's stream, I was talking about having a potential Model 1 accumulation Wyckoff schematic while we are in this range. We understand that if price is going to continue higher, it is very likely that they are going to continue to generate liquidity. The move up that we had yesterday, not only did it struggle to even take this high, which gave us the clue that the low is going, but we had a lot of liquidity that we could have swept on the way up. So it looked ugly, okay? It already looked ugly, which is why we shorted exactly from this order block and we took profits at these lows. So GG, if you were in my stream yesterday and your name was not Jared, you probably were a little bit cautious, as I was, and now you know you're good, okay? So what about now? What changes, right? Because this is going to be a touch up on the market structure. Shouts out to Ryan Chris or Ryan Price says every single prediction of mine over the past couple days are all wrong. I respectfully disagree, my friend. Go back and watch the last couple days. Don't know what you're talking about. Yesterday I said that those lows were going. Hey, bud. Greetings from South Africa. What's up, South Africa? Welcome. Go to the moon. Out of cash till next week. Anyways, there you go, man. Sam wants it to pump. Sam wants it to pump. Jacob is here using WhatsApp. I don't know how that you could even do that. Does having cut Geo's height in half? Oh man, that would be bad. What's up, awareness? How you doing? All right, so listen. Let's retouch up on structure, okay? Because yesterday we were talking about the 4-hour structure. Okay, because despite seemingly in the macro of it, nothing happened, right? Things are different now. Number one, if this high gets hit, okay, Model 1 accumulation, complete. That's number one. Okay? Okay, why have things changed? Because things changed. Up until yesterday, structure was still bearish on the 4-hour time frame, right? Structure was bearish. However, right now, structure actually flipped bullishly on the 4-hour time frame, which is an indication that we might not actually get that daily pullback. Now, I want to say this. In the event that... Is it music whack? This is a different playlist. Hold on, let me change the place. I don't know this playlist here. There we go. There we go. We'll run this playlist, okay? All right, so listen. Now, I want to be very... I just want to, like, you guys to understand this. Remember, in order for you to go down on the daily, your 4 hours got to flip bearish. As of yesterday, this was the structure. We SFP'd, making this the target, but it was a failed SFP. But since we had that, we had to put in a new lower high on the 4-hour time frame, a new lower low now on the 4-hour time frame, and then we broke bullishly. So your structure now on the 4-hour time frame, whether you like it or not, whether you wanted it to dump or not, is objectively bullish now, okay? So yesterday it was still bearish. Now, not only did we get an SFP of the SFP, but now we have 4-hour bullish structure, which is a little clue that, hey, we should be favoring longs. And yesterday in my VIP Discord, I did let everybody know 4-hour time frame at 6 a.m. has officially flipped bullish, and until further notice, we should be favoring the longs, okay? We should be favoring the longs. And so when we had this accumulation and our model 1, I mean, really, the recovery that we had down here was insane. And I'm going to be the first to admit, I actually did not get this long. There are a couple members in the Discord that got it. However, unfortunately, I did not get the long. Why did I not get the long? Because I really thought, and I was really waiting for this one wick, okay? If we came down, if we came down a little bit more, nothing super crazy, then I would have been content longing. But I was worried to long when the previous high, like this low, we wicked it by like $60, okay? So it was barely any liquidity generated. And you did have your break of structure after that move, and so you could have entered the long. But it was a little bit too sketchy for me because of this zone, and I really wanted to at least go in a little bit deeper. Not necessarily tap the 59, although I was watching for it. So I didn't get the long, okay? So now pretend you're me. Pretend you're 5'2" 3/4" and a wannabe singer. Where can you enter, right? Because what am I saying here? Well, I've been saying that it is now our, I mean, we should be looking for longs now, and really, the 4-hour flipping bearish kind of makes the target what the target was back here, which is the all-time high, okay? So we should be looking for longs. We should be looking for longs. We're also, as I was talking about yesterday, objectively in the high of the range, okay? Or in the low of the range, rather. So we should have been looking for longs this entire time, and that's exactly what we do. So we have our range, and we're looking for longs. That we already know. Now, welcome to how do we get into our trade, okay? Because I'm not long right now. I mean, I'm in a baby long, but I'm not in a giga long. I'm definitely not in a giga long enough to say that I'm content with this going to the higher time frame. Okay, like I'm not in nearly a big enough position if we're gonna touch the all-time high. So how do we get into a position now? Well, now we're gonna jump down locally. Okay, there's a couple things that we need to know in this local range. Okay, the first thing that we need to understand is, once again, whether you like it or not, we have a very important 4-hour order block right above the high that we had put in a few days ago. Okay, so I'm, like I said, in a baby position long right now, and the very first trade, in my opinion, that we should be watching for is an SFP of this high right up to here, right? 67K into this short zone. If this short ends up, or if we end up getting the confirmations that we want to see while we come up to this zone on market cipher and everything else, then I will potentially look to short, and I will potentially look for longs. Now, where the longs are will depend on whether or not we get order blocks on the way up, and more importantly, whether or not we close above this line. Everybody right now in my professional 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singing non-financial advice virgin self, mark this number on your chart: 668986. Okay, this number, this high that we put in on April 15th is the most important level right now on Bitcoin. Why? because as I mentioned, your 4-hour structure had flipped bullish, okay? Your 4-hour flipped bullish. However, your more mid or your higher time frames, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, okay. So your 8-hour high is still here. Okay, so your 4-hour flipped bullish, but your 8-hour is still here. And if your 8-hour, where do I, I'm like tripping out right now. 8-hour high. Okay, 8-hour high. So your 8-hour structure is still pointing down. Yes, your 8-hour structure gave you the SFP, meaning this is the target. Okay, this was also the same target for yesterday's SFP. Now, this is a very important 8-hour candle that needs to close. If we can close an 8-hour candle above this line, we are very much so going to favor a higher high, higher low, to then make a higher high. And once again, we are going to, where we enter from is going to depend on what we see on this entire move up. I will say this, generating that, or rather purging that liquidity is definitely a bullish thing. We're more on the bullish side than on the bearish side. You know, we're like we were talking about yesterday, right? Yesterday I was also long. I took profits on it, but yesterday, now this is the most important level in my opinion, okay? And not only do we have this order block here that's right above this high where we had inducement on, so a very important level, but we also have our golden pocket, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we also have our golden pocket at this order block. So this is going to tell you whether or not, you're welcome, bro. Have a good night. I'll see you later. This level, in my opinion, if we make it up here over the weekend or whatever, is going to be the indication as to whether or not we go higher, okay? And I want to bring your attention to one last thing. I'm not bearish. I'm more bullish now than I am bearish, just because of the way this looked. I would have been a little bit more bearish. I mean, a little bit more bullish if we took this wick, although technically we did not need to. But because of how things are looking, and because of this quick buy up, and because of the halving that's happening today, I believe, I do think that we can get our pump. But this is the zone that you need to be watching for. This 8-hour order block that we have above this 8-hour SFP level, potentially to bring price down. So we're going to see what happens if and when we get up here. Now, I had other short scalps for my VIP members. I'm not too crazy about them. I definitely don't think that we're not going to come and touch this high. So we will see what happens here. And then we will decide. We'll decide at that point. Because remember, you know, down here, what the market makers ended up doing was they flipped structure bearishly on the daily, and then they tricked everybody, and then they ran it way up. And although obviously that's bullish, and look at what happened as a result of that, I do believe that because it's the halving and everybody's super bullish, that there is the possibility of them doing something similar in them tripping everybody up to go bullish and then rip it down. Okay, so I'm not saying that's going to happen, but it is our job to be aware of the probabilities, and until further notice, we don't need to worry, right? This is the most important level, is this alert line. Okay, so we're gonna put an alert here. We're gonna say 8-hour high, watch for SFP, and if we SFP here, then the technical target is back at the lows. And remember, when we build our narrative, we need to know why would they come back down here, right? I teach you guys every day why the market moves the way that it does. Well, although we do have a nice accumulation, a Model 1, well, the target of the accumulation is just this high. So if we get this, not only will the target be complete, which is where I'm targeting for my little baby long that I have right now, but it also gives us a big opportunity to short if we don't see that strength here. Because if there's a place that it's going to dump from, it's probably going to be here. Or we shoot up. We could even technically SFP up to here. Now, this would be a crazy move. Now, some people are probably like, Gio, there's no way in hell Bitcoin is going to do this. Right? Pretend this is like, you know, an up candle. I don't know what this song is, but it's fire. Pretend you have a wick like this. Like, there's no, Gio, there's no way that it's going to do that. Though, I mean, it's not probable. Yeah, there's a way. Look at this wick here. Right? So we just got to be aware of all scenarios. And because it's the halving, guys, I wasn't trading during the last halving. So I'm interested to see what's going to happen. I'm very interested to see what's going to happen. All right, let me check chat. Got a lot of messages here, man. A lot of messages. Am I going to live stream again? No, I'm not going to live stream again. I wouldn't even know what to talk about, bro. I don't know anything about I don't even know. Gio is trash talking a lot about other people's strategies when he has not even hit a 10k trade. I am Jared. Yeah. I'm actually braked watching this. Can I do one German song? If you give me a German song that's copyright free, then yeah, I will. Personally, I think looking at human psychology, people are afraid of longs after tonight. Me looking a lot. I mean, maybe look. I mean, look. Fundamentally, the halving is bullish, right? Fundamentally, but you know, it's all gonna come down, in my opinion. Before people come at me saying I'm an idiot, in my opinion, it's all gonna come down to around 67k. That is going to be the make or the break. And if we start getting real significant candle closes above this high, above this, let's say above this zone, then we can talk about potentially all-time high. But until then, you can't talk about all-time high. Yeah, bro, I had limit orders down there too, man. I was ready to go. Would the target not be the high at 73k? Well, I just answered that. Still waiting for the green dot on the weekly on ETH BTC. Done the disclaimer. Yes, sir, Philly. We did the disclaimer. Am I long on BBC? Always. So, Gio, watch every single hourly time frame. I mean, I check everything. Yeah, I check it all. Did I say tech support? Oops. Joe's the man with the plan. Shouts out Jet. Shouts out Jacob. Civers. What's up, broski? All right, we got Jabs in the chat. Oh man, I'm missing it. Okay, so Jabs is saying dump it. Pump and dump after having. Maybe, man. Look, I hope we come and we SFP the all-time high. That would be the best case scenario for me. I would love to do that because people will get so freaking bullish. I would love that. Jab saying dump it. Could I see a mid-fill of the fair value gap and vector candle before continuing to the downside? Yeah, like you mean here? This guy? Yeah, you could. You could. This is not like an exact stop loss, right? You could wick these highs as well. But yeah, you technically can. You should be watching fair value gaps. BTC at 80k next week. Don't be stupid. Okay. Maybe. What's this ADA giga long? Oh, that was from so long ago. I gotta delete that. That was like literally, I made that alert so long ago. That was like back when ADA was like 80 cents. I was talking about that. Market Cipher is in the chat. Guys, huge shouts out to Market Cipher, the sponsor of the channel. By the way, guys, if you are interested in purchasing Market Cipher, which is this little blurb here on the low, and I actually had a couple questions about Market Cipher, so I will go over now the Market Cipher timeframes and what I think and how things are looking. But if you are interested in purchasing Market Cipher, not only is Nick Cipher, who I'm assuming is behind this account right now, is an absolute G, but with my affiliate link, you can get 20% off with the discount code TRADERGEO. And the link is in the description down below for those that want to get it. If you purchase Market Cipher for 1 year, then you get my VIP for 1 month. And if you purchase Market Cipher for life, then you get my VIP for 1 year. All right, so we're going to see what happens here because I don't know what's going to happen here. And I think, like I said, that 66900, 66.9 is the most important level to watch right now. Okay, so let's go over the time frames because some people were asking what's going on right now with thing here with thing. Before I do that, let me just give the disclaimer again because I'm getting that. Guys, disclaimer: all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer, definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real, and the Earth is flat. Okay, should I bring the treadmill out, guys? Nick, I'm gonna get the treadmill. Let's go, man. Today was leg day, but let's get the treadmill going. Oh, man. We need a... I think we need a Geo FG. I think we need an FGO collab. I think we need a big FGO collab. Guys, everybody go follow Flopping Groper. If you don't know, that's... he's Crypto Face's brother. And he's, most importantly, fucking hilarious. Okay, so go watch his streams because he's funny as fuck. Oh my. You're not shy. You get You wanna fly. All right, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so let's talk about BTCZ here. Let's talk about Market Cipher. So look, what are we seeing on Market Cipher, right? Because some people are talking about the daily time frame. Whoa, what is my ceiling looking like that? That is so ugly. Let us resolve this issue. There we go. Okay, so when Geo and Jay live stream. Shouts out to Alex O Crypto in the chat. What's up, man? I'm gonna go back to my initial playlist because this playlist is ass. This playlist is ass. Let's hit it, boys. We're gonna turn it up, man, because it is Rock on Friday, so we're gonna be jamming out. By the way, guys, if you like what you see, do me a solid, hit the like button for me, because every 100 likes that we get on stream, we do a giveaway for one of my boot camps where I teach you guys exactly how to enter trades, exactly how to find the levels that I'm looking for trades, and so forth. All right, his WAPs are objectively fire with your juicy. Yo, he's got some solid anchored VWAPs. He is the king of anchored VWAPs. Someone photoshopped Geo in a hamster wheel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so let's talk about how Market Cipher is looking, okay? The TA stuff is all fun and dandy and whatever. But let's talk about this, man. Let's talk about MCB. What are we seeing? We're seeing a nice yellow dot on the lows, okay? But it's not just a yellow dot on the lows, my friends. This is called a hidden divergence. Y'all want fat bottom girls? So we got a hidden bullish divergence here on BTCs here, right? Hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame. However, the RSIs are a little bit spread out here. However, we got a lot of FUD and stuff, right? We got a lot of FUD, and like I said, like this is looking hella wiki, which objectively is good for us to get a continued move to the outside. So Mr. Nick Cipher purchased Bitcoin at 59 G's the other day, and he's up in the green, which also starts with G, which also goes with FG, which also goes with Geo. What's poppin'? I met her on the way to Chicago. All right, so look, daily time frame, I mean, kind of is looking good, right? 18 hour, we got the money flow coming back into the yellow. Very interesting, very interesting. And technically speaking, we got hidden bullish divergences on money flow on these higher term time frames. Like I said, man, I am in no way, shape, or form bearish. Not until that green line gets hit, and then if we SFP it or not. But at the moment, right now, I just, man, I in hindsight, like the signs were there, but I just, so many times the signs are there, and then they just, like, I really wanted this wick, man. It's so annoying that we didn't get it. Very annoying. All right, shout out to Luke, says, bro, you're changing my life. I've learned so much from you over the past couple of months, starting to win more than lose, and vector candles make more sense to you than anything else. I appreciate it, man. You already know the number one rule when it comes to market ciphers: the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. But on top of that, you know, when you got a green, yellow dot now, because I changed my colors around. When you got a yellow dot on market cipher, you got to look to the left and say that those vector candles can get recovered. Yo, check this out. Check out Mr. Floppin' Groper here. How do I... Hold on. Look at what Nick just sent me. Ghetto. That is the flopping groper himself. We need the Geo dude. Yo, I'm gonna put that in the Discord, because we got my Geo dude PNG. So we are your Pokemons. We are literally your Pokemons. Let's see if we can get one together. Geo dude and Magic Carp. I don't know if you spell that. If you spell that correctly. If I spell that. Oh, that's what that is. That's it combined. That's funny, bro. I didn't even realize. Yo, that's so fire, dude. That is so fire. Yo, we got to get the collab, bro. We got to get the collab going. For real. We got to get the collab going. Let's do it. Let's go live next time. But stop, what's it called? Stop. Yeah, Gene's placing. Stop streaming and during goblin hours, bro. This guy, I was looking so forward to your stream yesterday. And you streamed at like 3 a.m. All right, Video Kingdom says, Market Cipher, can I have one for free? A free Market Cipher? Listen, I'm gonna tell you this. In by the way, another announcement I just remembered. Guys, I hit 8,000 subscribers today. So first of all, thank you very much to all of you. I really appreciate the love, man. I've come a long way. The channel is almost 1. And I never thought that we were gonna get here. So I really appreciate it. And you know what? Maybe at 10K, I will do a little something. And maybe I can get a little giveaway going on. And I'm gonna try to hook you up, brother. Try to hook you up if I can. All right, Daniel S says, do I have a guide for vector candles? Yeah, man, I do. So if you come over to my channel, I'm flopping and groping on my tabs here. If you come on over to my channel, okay, and you come to my videos, I think I have a playlist actually of vector candles. Let me see. Yeah, see, okay, so come over here. Come to my playlist and view playlist. All 4 of these videos are going to help you immensely when it comes to the vector candles. There's 2 long ones and 2 short ones. Okay, 2 of the videos are like 20 minutes long, 15 minutes long, and then 2 of them are like an hour and a half or 45 minutes. So, you know, there's a lot going on there. But you will learn most of the things that you need to know at that point. McDonald's ass Cipher. Yeah, Jet thinks that I had it. Why did I change my colors on MCV? To be honest, kind of just branding. I don't know. I got bored of my colors, man. I got bored. I was even playing with other colors too. I wanted to make this white. But like then everything was looking so white and black. Like I kind of like it, but I didn't know what color to make my VWAP. Like I kind of like it like this. Maybe we'll keep it like this. Cause it kind of looks like mustard on a hot dog. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out here. Yo, big shout out to Alex O Crypto. Thank you very much for the donation, brother. I appreciate you. That $10 is coming back to you when we have those beers at Canada's Wonderland. Says grats on 8K. God bless you, my brother. Keep going. Don't stop. Much love. Otter gang, guys. If you don't know, Crypto Face put on Alex and myself at the same time when it comes to Market Cipher. So, you know, go check out Alex O Crypto. He is a Market Cipher trader as well. And let's just say you come to my stream and I'm talking all this bullshit, and you want to hear the other direction, head over to Alex O Crypto, because I'm not saying he would be trading in the other direction, but maybe he would. So if you like that chance, that sliver, if Gio's saying 50K, but you want to hear 100K, whatever it might be, you know what I'm saying, lad? Bro, do I think we have a good re-entry to long 61.9 to 62 vector candle recovery? Let's talk about it. 61.9, 62. Yeah, so, I mean, look, I'll be very honest. Like, I'll give this level for free. I don't care. I'm looking for longs right here. Very simple. To be honest, I'm going to even extend it a little bit. Anywhere down here, I'm looking for longs. Oh, wait, this is Ethereum. I didn't mean to do Ethereum. Guys, does it look better with the white? It kind of does now that I'm looking at it. First of all, let's get rid of this disgusting bar on the bottom. We don't need it. I kind of like it better with the white. Or silver. Anyways, look. So, yeah, I mean, I'm going to be looking for longs literally anywhere here. Yes, I do think that this vector candle can get recovered. No, I don't think it has to get recovered. That's why I'm in a little baby position. But if things start to look down, then I'm going to be like, this is where I'm going to hammer. Okay, especially, remember, we were talking about that here. Let me just bring everything back up. I get broads in Atlanta, twisting the Lee and the Fana. Okay, so if you look here, right, if we don't SFP, because I imagine we're going to get some kind of reaction here. So I don't know how low this is going to go. If we SFP here, then I'm going to be targeting the lows again. But if we don't SFP, then we could, for example, come up to here. If we start closing candles, 8-hour candles up here, then I would expect somewhat of a retracement, and I would take profit down here if we even make it down here. Depends on how structure is looking. We don't know yet, but I would be looking, give or take, for a long position as follows. Okay, I would be looking for a long similar to this. Here, I already have all this drawn out. I'll just give it to you guys because I'm so nice. Okay, so we got a 30-minute order block up here that we were watching earlier today. I'm looking to come down to here, and I'm looking to potentially come up to here. Or if we come up here first, I'm looking to, if we close, then I'll look for longs here. So yeah, I do think that we're going to be able to get into a position, man. And like, listen, if you don't know much about TA, you don't know how I find this stuff, obviously stick around. But I also have very intricate market cipher strategies, and I forgot that I've developed, literally, in my opinion, the most gas strategy ever, called the cheat sheet entry, and we're bringing that back, baby. So, you know, I'll revamp those videos and redo those videos, but they're easy longs and easy shorts, and they are trend continuation trades. So, you know, if you're new here, you probably don't know what they are, but I will absolutely bring them to the light. Don't worry, because not even just my channel, but I believe the entire market cipher community, anybody, even if you watch my channel or not, needs to know of this strategy because it is absolute fire. Fire. Okay. Why are all YouTube traders using a treadmill? Listen, I'm gonna tell you this, bro. So, under the desk treadmills, in my opinion, are a game changer. Obviously, I was heavily inspired by Jay, and like, while seeing this was my thought process. Okay, man, I hope, like, whenever I'm on the treadmill, people come in and they're like, hello, Jason, and I'm like, okay, you're stupid. Like, that's why part of my disclaimer is like, oh, I pay Jay royalties for every step I take. But in actuality, you know, for me, I have ADHD like AF. Okay, I have way DHD, and so when I'm walking, first of all, once you're a creator, like, I work 16 hours a day. Okay, but when I'm walking, I don't realize that I'm working, and when I'm working, I don't realize I'm walking. So it helps my ADHD. Like, I used to edit videos and stuff and then start pacing around and whatever, and like, by doing this, I don't get bored, and I don't realize I'm walking, I don't realize I'm working. And just to show you what I mean, this is my home screen on my phone. Like, I don't have anything on my home screen because I know that I get distracted very easily. So it's literally like, I mean, it's good cardio as well. Why not? You guys know I'm working hard in the gym. I'm trying to stay as I'm trying to dominate all realms of life. I'm trying to become the top 1%. I'm trying to become absolutely irresistible for all women ever, regardless of their marital status. You guys know this, okay? It's not new information. But this is a good way to do it, man. Why not? And it distracts me. Like, sometimes I look at the clock and I'm like, yo, I've been streaming for 2 hours. That's crazy. Congrats on 8K. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. Appreciate everybody. Feels like 5K was only like 2 months ago. Oh, wait. It was. I have gay ADHD. Yes, sir! You got the bike pedal. That's sick. Good morning, Gio, you little legend. Good morning to you, old man Gary. Old mate Gary. You don't gotta do, those vids are great. Thank you, thank you. Hey, Gio, did I go through any of Traders Reality's courses? No, I didn't. I've been through a couple of them, but not like extensively, not to the point where, for example, not to the point where like I actually sat down and like learned from it. Like, I've had it on in the back, but this is what I will tell you, man. This is what I'll tell you. So the way I learned all my market psychology, you know, market makers, vector candles, was just having Tino's streams on. So I used to watch Tino's streams like at night, and then I would fall asleep to them, not because he's boring, but I would be up so late watching them. So, like, I don't know if it was his British voice that was just in my brain all night with him going, the market makers, oh my days, where it just like kind of stuck. But that's like essentially how I learned. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't take his courses, but yeah, you got a new subscriber from Jordan. What's up, Jordan? Nice to meet you. Welcome to the show, baby. Listen, you haven't seen anything yet, man, because this is the crypto stuff of it, but wait for the music stuff to come in a little bit, because I'm a 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer, so don't forget that. You're saving the under the desk woman. That would be fun. That would be fun AF. Jay was the first on the treadmill. Yeah, I was inspired by Jay. Jay invented walking. He did invent walking. He is a visionary. I pay Jay $100 every step I take. You guys know how net negative I go making these streams? I owe him like the tab currently. I told him I needed like, I can't pay him until next week. I'm like at 600 grand I owe him right now. You don't have to apologize for doing something that's good for you. Yeah, man. I mean, I don't really care. If I'm staring at a screen nonstop on trades, need some movement, brother. Can't count the times watching JC while I'm on the treadmill too. Yeah, man. I mean, I just hope you're paying him the royalties. Yeah, exactly. Grams. Guys, Grams is funny as fuck, by the way. The royalties really mount up because of Gio's little legs. Shout out to the Jacob. Says, here's the German song. Okay, let's check out. Is it copyright free, though? You gotta let me know if it's copyright free, brother, because, you know. You gotta let me know if it's copyright free. If it's not copyright free, I can't play it. Also, I can't even click that. Oh, yeah, I can. Okay, let's see. Let's try. I'll be fucked up if you can't be right here. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I'd cheat, even when I knew I never could. Okay, this doesn't look like it's copyrighted. Let's play it. I got you. Okay, this is my my boy here is not my boy, but my super chat song. That's what he wants, so it's probably his thing, his music. If this is your music, shouts out to you, bro. I'll shill it. Do I watch Eric Crown Crypto? I do not. What the Razklad? She be drinking wagwa and she be drinking beer. Love from India. Love from Toronto, man. Welcome. The treadmill futters, gut utters. Yeah, man, if you're going to be a treadmill pencil neck, at least, like, you know, get in shape a little bit. Tino's a G. I big agree with that. Every little step I take, you and Jay will be together. Every step I take. Bomber clots. When me fall pussy turn red. All right, so Marcus Cipher, man. What do we got going on here? Love you, thanks. The party started. Ich im Buggy durch den Strand abschlittern, werfen Bunnies ihre Tangaslips, ja, da suchen Haus nach Wörtern. Doch damit wir uns nicht missverstehen, ich schwimm nur mit dem Oberkörper. Ey. Ja, Mann, super. Tja, das Baby. Yeah. Braun gebrannte Muskelmänner, weg du Spinner, jetzt kommen die Rettungsschwimmer und machen Frauen scharf wie Dschungel. Yo, he said vector there, listen. Braun gebrannte Muskelmänner, weg du Spinner, jetzt kommen die Rettungsschwimmer und machen Frauen scharf wie Dschungelmesser. Funkelnde Weißgoldketten unter den Lifeguard-Westen, sie wie wir Hunderte beinahe ertrunkene Weiber retten. Wir sind Einsatzkräfte mit Fernglas auf den Aussichtstürmen, stets bereit in Zeitlupe ins Meerwasser hinauszustürmen. Ich krieg nicht mit, wenn der Typ da draußen zu ersaufen droht, doch sehe ich eine Braut in Not, dann lauf ich los. Ring hinein, schwimm an ein paar Elektroboten vorbei, rette Haus von einem Hai und schlag ihn mit der Rettungsboje zu Brei. Er zieht die Schwanzflosse ein, die Küste gehört mir, ich helfe mal gern, ja klar kann ich deine Brüste einschmieren. Ich mach Party mit den Hammerchicks und fahr ich im Buggy durch den Strand abschlittern, werfen Bunnies ihre Tangaslips, ja, da suchen Haus nach Wörtern. Doch damit wir uns nicht missverstehen, ich schwimm nur mit dem Oberkörper. Ey. Ja, Mann, super. Jachterschlachten. Did I say a word there? Jachterschlachten. They go through the darkest of days, heaven's a heartbreak away, never let you go. Tino is fire. I agree. Vector spinners. I got you, bro. Please explain clearly Bitcoin for the next hours. Please explain clearly. This is not the scene you had in mind. Well, it is Rock Fridays, man. Okay. Bitcoin for the next 4 hours, clearly. I'm going to enunciate. Ready? Hold on. Let me pause the music. I'm going to enunciate, okay? I think two things are going to happen. Hold on. One of two things are going to happen. Either, actually, a few things might happen. Ready? Watch. This is going to be the most clearly explained enunciation of Bitcoin possible, okay? We have a potential Wyckoff accumulation model here. This could be a lower high. We don't know yet. Technically, we broke structure. So we could get a trade like this where we have a short opportunity, scalping, okay? Don't be a pencil neck. Not you, but whoever might be behind the computer with their neck like that. Actually, it would be like that. I'm short, man. I don't know what that's like. So we might have a short opportunity here down to this order block, down at 62,750 to then send price higher. That's number one. Number two, we might break through this. We might tap this, SFP this bitch, and then dump to all hell from here. Number three, we might come up to 67K-ish, 68K, close 8-hour candles above here. Number four, we might just continue higher and go to 100 million K in the next 20 minutes. Or number five, if we close candles above here, we might come down to this same zone that I'm looking to trade. Don't know, depends on the structure, to then send the price higher. Okay? In my opinion, over the next, not 4 hours, I'm breaking the rules a little bit, but let's say over the next 20 hours, if we do not get if we touch this line, this green line, if we touch this Hulk line right now in the next 20 hours, and we do not close an 8-hour candle above this line, if we touch it, you're fucked. Lass den Dachpen. Lass den Dachpen. How do you say pump it in German? How do you say pump that pussy in German? Cause if you can't be close. All right, guys, listen, we got 140 likes, 300 people in here. So first of all, if you're new here, welcome. If you're turning, welcome back. And we're going to do a giveaway because we have 100 likes. And it is Rock Fridays, baby. So, like, should we do one of the giveaways right now? Let's do one of the giveaways right now. You to know, can't be close to you. I'll settle for the ghost of you. All right, Jet, I got you, bro. I got you. This is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna do a giveaway right now. I settle for the mess to me, baby. Jet, you know what time it is, brother? Do you know what time it is, brother? If the echo's coming out, you must know what time it is, baby. You must know what time it is. You must know what time it is if the echo's coming out. One blood thinks there's always tomorrow. Shall we hit it, brother? Bro, what is that buzzing? Is that my treadmill? Is that my mic? Why is my mic? I gotta get a new cable. I might get a new cable. Is it about to happen? Are we gonna hit the MJ? Hey, pretty baby, with the way you make me feel, you knock me off of my head now, girl. Or are we gonna do the other one? Okay, guys, listen. This is what we're gonna do real quick. By the way, I promise you, if you're new here, I promise you, I'm always this annoying. Okay, always. Not sometimes, literally always. We're gonna do one of the giveaways right now, and we're gonna actually do both giveaways on the same video. So if we get enough likes. So here's what we're gonna do. Everybody go to this video. I don't care what you comment. Go drop a comment on that video. Any comment you want. Gio, you suck. Gio, your analysis is ass. Gio, whatever. Get some lube on that belt. Yeah, man, I gotta get her wet, bro. I gotta get her wet. I turned her off, man, with my singing here. She got all dry. Now it doesn't fit, you know? Anyways, go to that video. Hit the like button on that video and drop any comment. I don't care what the comment says. Gio, you suck. Gio, you're short. Gio, you look like shit. You know, whatever. I don't care. But it has to have a fish emoji for our friend, Mr. Flopping Groper, okay? So it has to have the fish emoji. Go do that. Let me know when you're done by, like, dropping a comment here. And we'll do the giveaway. We'll do one of the giveaways. Hopefully we can do a second giveaway. And I'm gonna get this song going. I've been in Chicago. I don't remember how it goes. Let me get my lyrics up though. With a pitbull. Pitbull. I should do a Pitbull song. Chicago lyrics, Michael Jackson. I took my got a girl at Ibiza. Vici, I was cool. Let me just hear it real quick. I just gotta like run it back. Okay, hold on. I was practicing this morning. This is the first time I've ever sang this, by the way. I even just learned this song. All right, let's see. Hold on, I'm gonna mute myself for 1 sec. I just want to not make a fool. I make a fool myself every day. Give me this one. Okay, I think I got it. All right, ready? I'm gonna try. Met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. So was I, so I asked her for a name. She smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see a woman like that was really into. Oh man, I don't remember it. Hold on. I'm gonna do this good, bro. Hold on. I gotta remember this, bro. Break it up. Hold on. She said she didn't have no man, yeah. I met her on the way to Chicago. All right, let's try again. We're gonna run this back. If you fuck something up, you do it again. All right, let's go. Guys, let me know when you guys left that comment. I met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. Asked her for a name. She smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see I fucked that up again. That a woman like that was really into. She said she didn't have no man. Raised the kids the very best she can, yeah. She told me she was all alone. Said at home she didn't have no phone, yeah. She said I gotta give her a face. 59 was the gold she gave, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do it better for you, bro. I promise you. I'm gonna do it again, bro. No, I'm gonna do it again. We gotta get that again. Yeah, I'm sorry. I gotta one more try. And then we're gonna do the giveaway here. Ready? One more try. She said, I met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. And so was I, so I asked her for a name. She smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see that a woman like that was really into. She said she didn't have no man. Raised the kids the very best she can, yeah. She told me she was all alone. Said at home she didn't have no phone, no. She said just give her a face. 59 was the gold she gave, yeah. She lied to you, she lied to me. She was loving me. That was not right either, but whatever. That was good. I like that. She lied to you. All right, man. Thank you guys for putting up with my shit. Listen, Jet, I promise I'm going to practice a little bit more. This is the first time I actually listened to that song properly. But, you know, I'll run that back. All right, how many we got going on right now? I met her on the way to Chicago. That was weak, bro. That was weak. I'm sorry. That was weak. I know that was weak. I promise I'll get better. Today, I told you I'm learning the song still. I gotta like not think about the melodies and shit. All right, how many comments we got? Let's do our giveaway. She will oil it up at 10K. Let's go, let's go. We got Nick Cipher commenting as well. And the love that you share, the love that you share. All right, let's do our giveaway here. I want you to know. Can be close to you. All right, guys, the winner of the first... Oh, am I dropping frames? The winner of the first giveaway is... Why am I dropping frames, bro? Oh, my. Yo, Supras4396, congratulations. You are the winner of the first giveaway. You, hopefully by now, know what to do, my friend. Head over to the video that you had to like. Click on the top right, take a screenshot of this, and let us know which one of the 4 boot camps you want. We got market structure, we got key zones and building the narrative, order blocks and liquidity, and of course, market cipher B and time frames. Let us know. Congratulations, bro. Guys, if you hit the like button, if we get to 200 likes, then we will be doing another giveaway. All right, let's get back to the charts. For the ghost of you, yeah, I miss you more than I. Ooh. 25 likes away. All right, just here for the voice. You muted me and want to be singer. Yes, sir, want to be singer. Yes, sir, want to be singer. G hitting us with the hits. Let's go. It is Rock Friday. We're gonna hit a rock song for the next one, and then we're gonna go. Okay, then we're gonna go. Chat shit, bro. You're the fucking man. I don't care. You're gonna murder that when I have it down. Well, listen, I'm gonna get it down. I promise, bro. I promise you. I'm gonna get it down. Give me a week. I'll get it down. Go, shut it. All right, so let's come back to Bitcoin. I kind of like these colors, man. Kind of like these colors better. Yeah. Okay. So I mean, look. I still think remember. So based on your 4-hour structure, remember that this high is still the target. And this was the target still from yesterday. So despite us having that big dump, it got slurped right back up. Like, you know, 18-year-olds on spring break just slurped right back up. And so this is going to be an important short zone. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens, right? See what happens. I think it's looking pretty decent, but we'll see. It's Rock Friday, baby. Jonathan Carpentier. Yo, bro, I'm the white Stevie Wonder. Hold on, now I'm the white Stevie Wonder. Now I'm the white Stevie Wonder. Do we have... No, I see only 180 likes. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum. I just need dreads. Give me dreads and I'll be the Stevie Wonder. Yo, this white market cipher is gas. That's way better than my McDonald's looking shit. I don't know, debatable. Trying to holla at me. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna start trading cheat sheet entries again because they're really powerful, man. Like, really powerful. Trying to holla at me. Woo. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. Be right back. BRB, my friendos.
If you're leaving home with your mama, oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. If you have a shorty but you don't show it, oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. Wanna get with me with no money, oh no, Look at what you've done. Stand still.
Yo, you know
falling
what?
away
I
from
actually got a
me.
question for you
When it
guys.
takes so long.
I got a question for you guys.
Fire
Because
side,
every
what do you want to
I got a
be?
question for you guys.
Don't hold it.
Because every
What you said was never enough.
every halving,
Gotta be so strong.
well, okay, every cycle Bitcoin doesn't take the high pre-halving.
Now every other day
It did that now. Okay. So I got a question. Do you guys, because I'm out here always giving my opinion, let me ask you. We always typically have somewhat of a correction as well, pre or a little bit after the halving, right? Do you guys think that we're gonna have a correction? Do you guys think that, or do you guys think we're just going to 90K from here? Or do you think that we're gonna get that decent pullback that we've been talking about? I'm very interested. Man, I'm telling you, if we get that 8-hour SFP, not a good look. It's not a good look if we get that 8-hour SFP. Not at all. When is the next new moon? I have literally no idea. Heck, it's DY playlist, boot camp playlist. Yeah, man, I actually did everything for free before I monetized it. Geo dumps faster than Luna. Ready for a dump. We're gonna dump. Tonight. I'm ready for a dump, bro. I'm ready for it. I am super ready for it. You guys think correction? Because people seem to think I'm crazy when I talk about 53K. Like, people think I'm absolutely mental. I'm like, yo, it's not that unrealistic. Like, it's not that far away. What are you talking about? Okay, I have another question for you guys. For my market cipher people. Okay? I'm the only one that's talking about this, for the record, that I'm aware of. We have bearish divergences on the weekly time frame across multiple like bull market highs with momentum waves and with money flow. Okay, people have used the argument that oh, it doesn't count because it's so far away, and I'm not saying it does or it doesn't. I'm just presenting the data in front of you. And so my question for you is, do you think that that's gonna like play any factor? Do you think it's gonna do anything or no? Just curious. Yeah, man, that's a problem too, Jet. Bro, that's a big problem. Like, what if this is what if this is a Wyckoff schematic? Okay, fair. Shouts out to JP. Says he doesn't think 53K is inevitable or unrealistic, but when I say it's inevitable, this is what you disagree with. Who knows what's going to happen? 100% I agree with you. 100%. I can't say that it's going to go to 53K inevitably. I can't, because I don't know. You're absolutely right. And just like, but on the same side, when people say it's going to 100K, like, you don't know that either. Bitstamp. Let's check Bitstamp. Man, yeah. Like, I'll put it to you this way. I will put it this way. If I saw this on the 1 minute time frame, I would start looking for shorts. Cause I'm bad. You know what I would absolutely love? Man, I would love to sweep the all-time high one more time and then just have it die. That's what I would love. So in my regards to my question about the weekly time frame, divergences don't always play out, so I don't think we need to worry too much. But like you said, anything can happen. I agree with that as well. Don't count monthly out yet. I agree, man. I agree. The divergences didn't diverge literally this entire way up, okay? Like the entire way up, right? you know, I had to learn the hard way, and you guys learned with me. Like, I'm still growing as a trader, and I'm still growing as a content creator and an entertainer as well. Like, I gotta also put on a show for you guys. That's why I gotta say stuff like, oh, it's inevitable. Like, you know, you gotta understand, I talk a lot, but I have to. Like, that's how I got here, right? Like, I had to make that video for Market Cipher to find me. Anyway, you know, we had divergences literally this entire way up. Like, the entire way up. Money flow divergences, momentum wave divergences, and then they just said, nope, see you later, right? So absolutely anything is possible, 100%. I agree with you. I agree with you. Cause I don't want to lose you. Yeah, yeah. Bye, 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 bye. Yeah, this is the biggest bearish divergence in history. Absolutely. But I mean, 3-day money flow is still super, super thick, right? So I mean, you would expect them to take the high again, 100%. But nothing's 100%, and I mean, I would imagine they take both sides, to be honest, at some point. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if they take this wick and if they take the highs. I just think that, and I said this on yesterday's stream, if we take this low if we take the high without taking this low, like if we come up here without coming down here, I think it's bearish. And if we come down here without coming up here, like ever, I think it's bullish. Right? Like, let's just say price right now does this. Let's just say hypothetically, well, you have liquidity up here. So I think later on, it's more bullish, right? Like, I think that for a bull market, this is a way better scenario to leave these highs intact, to not take the highs again. I think it's way more bullish long term, way more bullish. But if we take the high again, if we do something like this, if we SFP this high, or we range up here for like a few days and then we come back down, and then we come and break this low, there is no telling. Like, you're gonna have no reason to come back up here. Listen, in the last bull market, when we had this move, this trapped a bunch of liquidity, whatever, okay? There was no reason, like, they did not need to send price back up here ever again, okay? Ever again. And I'm not saying that because of that reason, like, they're not ever going to, no. But you got to remember, the market is going to move based on liquidity and only liquidity. There's always going to be something. You can't say the inflows, you can't say this, you can't say that, and the other way as well. And the reason why is because they will change the narrative regardless. Let's say it's all news-based. You think that if they didn't want to send the price down and there was actually an issue, they wouldn't just revoke the ETF shit? Bro, how many times does China ban and unban Bitcoin? Like 50 times? So I think if we take the high without taking the low, it's so bearish. And if we take the low and close and start actually falling with leaving these highs leaving these highs still intact, then I think it's more macro bullish, because then we have reason to come down here. So in my opinion, I think that the best case scenario for the bulls, in my opinion, is to come up, reject from here, not take the high again, come down to wherever we come down to, whether it's down here at 40, whether it's 50, whether it's 30, I don't know. And then we could get something similar to this, where you had like kind of two waves to your bull run, right? Like we had this wave, and then we had this wave, and this was your like divergence. I think it would be more bullish if we did the same thing. If we did this, and then we come up and take those highs, and then we'll see what happens up here. Nobody knows, right? I think that would be way more bullish than whatever the heck is going on right now, in my opinion. So, I mean, obviously, I don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen, right? Nobody knows. And the cycle's broken. And so, you know, maybe the cycle, maybe Bitcoin, the Bitcoin halving, because usually it dumps like around or for the halving. Maybe that means that Bitcoin is going to pump because a lot of people are expecting it to dump, right? Perhaps. We don't know. We do not know. We do not know. But that's in my opinion. Yeah, FG's in the house. If we close a red month, that will be scary. It just depends on if we sweep liquidity or not. You know, we've been in this range for so long, and we haven't taken any liquidity on either side for so long. You could argue, yeah, we took the highs, but you could also argue, yeah, we took these. Like, we didn't take the main points, which were put at the beginning of the range relative to where we are now, right? Like, the range was relatively young compared to where it is now at the time that both of these levels were put into place. So it's very simple. If we keep pumping and we don't take this high, it's bearish in my opinion. Like long term. I'm not thinking today or tomorrow, right? Or next week or next month. Long term. And if we leave these highs and we come down, it's more macro bullish in my opinion. I wanna love you. You already know I wanna fuck you. Look at your 3 peaks and a domed house pattern. Not sure if that's a white cock, but that's what's happening. Yeah, I know. That's a little bit worrisome, man. It's a little bit worrisome. Also, there's something in trading. Basically, it's called the power of 3, which is like where you have a range. And we know we were in a range on Bitcoin, right? So you have a range. And then what you get is sometimes you will accumulate above, or actually it would be a distribution, above that range. And then you would expand down. And I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but this might be happening on these higher term time frames, right? And there's no reason to think that right now. There's no reason to giga short a million X your entire account right now. That's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying we're coming back down here. But, I mean, if structure goes against the bull's favor, things can get pretty ugly pretty quickly. My body. Update. BTC halving is to be expected at whatever. Look at the money flow. You can expect all-time high, 100%, but nothing's 100%. Bro, that reminds me. Yeah, man. You actually, man, you can't say anything's gonna happen 100%. Gio, you are so right, but alts still need to move. See, Crypto Mike, I agree with you that alts haven't done anything yet, but I will tell you this. My only problem with your comment is you're not allowed to say the. Oh, well, I mean, you're allowed to say whatever you want, but in my opinion, you can't say the word need or has to in crypto. The alts don't need to do anything. They don't. They haven't had their run. They haven't had their day in the sun. But listen to this. You could say Bitcoin needs to correct and it hasn't corrected. You could say Bitcoin needed, or it couldn't, it was impossible to take the all-time high before the halving, and it did, right? So the cycle is broken. Everything you think you know now is a lie. Okay? And so when you understand this and how usually what happens is Bitcoin pumps and then the money moves in towards alts, do we know that that's going to be the cycle when it comes to money movement? What if it's not? Right? So people think that I'm like, well, no, nobody says it, but like that I'm like a crypto villain here. But I'm just a realist, man. Like that, this cycle being broken is the worst thing because now nobody knows anything. When second giveaway, how many likes do we have? In 4 likes, baby! In 4 likes. Your voice is so bloody gorgeous. Gio, thank you, Sunshine Girl. You're so bloody gorgeous. You want me to sing to you? Hey, pretty baby with the high heels on. S&P and NASDAQ getting pooped on. Man, this too, like, this is horrifying to look at. Like, people are too bullish, man. Even if it goes up, like, people in general are just too bullish. People see this and they're like, oh, yeah, I'm going to long the support line. You're crazy, dude. This is crazy talk. You want to long this? This is horrifying. Maybe, listen, maybe you long here. Maybe. Come on, man. I'm just saying, like, and this is no different. You're fucking crazy to buy up here. In my opinion. In my 5'2" 3/4" non-financial advice wannabe singing opinion. You know, why not wait a little bit? Yeah, I pray to take the lower wick. Yo, I'm telling you, man, us not taking that wick yesterday really tripped me up. Really tripped me up. I was ready, man. We were in the VIP. Look, I was giving the updates in the VIP and we were like in the chat. Right here, I was ready. I'm like reminding you guys, yo, be careful. Hello. Fast wicks, you're going to get wrecked on your exchange. Like, I thought we were going to get a fast wick. I really did. Didn't happen, but that's okay. It's okay. Their year-to-date anchors got violated. Yo, Nick, because I don't use anchored VWAPs at all. I think you should come on the channel, bro, and tell me about it and tell them about it. Because I'll tell you this, maybe my people know about it, but not from me. They definitely don't know about it here from me because I've never used it. And I don't really know how to use it, so I'm interested as well. Brotherhood Gaming says, completely agree with me. Jonathan, I'll see you later, brother. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Trade safe. Keep your capital safe. Karaoke Friday. Yes, sir. We're going to hit that. Just following the money, bro. Absolutely, man. Follow the money. Follow the money. What's up, Trader John Weems? Sinking Titanic, yeah. I think I love your lovely, soft British voice. What do I think about the Bitcoin chart? Maybe going along right now. I'm not trading right now. Anything. I'm not touching this. There's only two places that I'm interested in right now, which are. Whoa, this kind of looked like the 4-hour time frame for a second. I thought we were all the way up there. Only zones I'm interested in trading right now are either down here or up here. Or here. 3 zones. Aside from these 3 zones, I ain't touching shite. It's getting. Shouts out to JT. Yo, Justin, I'm seeing you later in concert. In concert later in the year. So. FG equals anchored VWAP. Yeah, man, I gotta check his videos out. Brotherhood Gaming completely agrees with me. FG guest spotlight stream discussing some things with you. Don't cover would be a 6 session. I'm down, bro. I'm down. I'm here for it. Let's do it next week, but I like that we use different stuff. Yeah, man. Yeah, just hit me up. Just holler at me. She wet. All right, how many are we at? Should we do the next one? We're at 203 giveaways. We got 230 people in the chat. Guys, if you are here for the very first time, where are my manners? My name is Gio. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the G Spot, actually. My live streams are called the G Spot. And, not the new people. This is to my comment down here. Justin Trudeau. Get out of here, broski. We ain't want you here, boy. Can we get one more SFPs of the lows? Yeah, we can. We can. So what I'm hoping for right now, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm hoping for. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but this is my best case scenario. What I want to happen. If it was up to me, which it's not, but this is what I would want. So let's take a look here, right? What did we get? We deviated the value area high, and now we're coming down, right? We're breaking down. Clearly, you can see we're breaking down. Now, if we start losing structure and we start coming down a little bit further, then we're going to be looking for longs around this order block, okay? What I would like to happen, because technically speaking, because we SFP'd the 4-hour time frame again, expectational order flow is to make a higher low to then make a higher high, right? Based on these time frames that broke bullishly. Where could your higher low come in? It could have already came in. It could have been this wick, but it could be lower, and I'm watching this order block. So I'm expecting right now, expectational order flow. Hopefully I get it. I don't know if it's going to happen. Is this and then this, okay? Then what happens here will determine whether or not we're going to head towards the all-time highs, in my opinion. If we start closing an 8-hour candle above this green line, then we can talk about potentially the all-time high. But before we do that, we can't talk about all-time high. If you SFP this on the 8-hour time frame, 12-hour time frame, you SFP this, you hit this order block, or anywhere here, anywhere above, you SFP above this green line, then the new target right? Because remember, right now, this green line is your 4-hour target. Because we SFP'd the 4-hour time frame. So this is your 4-hour target right now, currently. So, I mean, we should be prioritizing longs. But if you SFP this high, just like how because we SFP'd the low, if you SFP the high, then this becomes the new target. So can we take the new low? Absolutely we can. Absolutely we can. But I don't think we touch this low until we touch this high, in my opinion. And this is a strong order block. Like, this is a good reason to go down. You know? Good reason to go down. Let me see. Let me pull the volume. Let's check the volume. Do we have any good volume in these order blocks? Okay. The higher one's actually even better. Let's try the volume from here. Okay. Point of control here. Not what you want to see if you're bullish. Point of control here. Not what you want to see if you're bullish. This is a strong order block. So we're going to be watching for this. And if we see the confirmations, right, if we get up here, if price looks like this by the time we get up here, and then it does this, yo, I'm shorting that so hard down to this low, easily. And this time, if we come back for that low, this time, like this low, I do not think that we're gonna SFP this low and not take this low again. If this happens, this SFP happens, I think we're coming down to 53K. So we'll see what happens. So in short, to summarize, what I would like to happen, obviously, is not always what happens. This is a banger. This song is an absolute banger. If you disagree, you're dumb. What I would like to happen is this. I want this. Boom, boom. Whether we SFP or not, I don't care. I really don't care. If we don't SFP, we're going to look for this and then higher. If we do SFP, we're going to look for this and then lower. Simple. Very simple. Arrow coin, best spot buying? I don't know, man. It depends on Bitcoin. Wait, what's hilarious? Did I miss something? Yeah, man, it all, oh, he's laughing at Trudeau. Yeah. Yeah, we just need to watch the charts, man. It all depends on what happens at that high. All depends what happens there. Maybe then get into a quick short. Well, if you're following your structure, we did flip bearish, right? So if you're on, like, let me see. Definitely 10 minutes. Definitely 15 minutes. I mean, yeah, like these midterm time frames right now, if you're scalping, you should be favoring shorts right now, because your structure is up. Yeah, up, down, up, flipped bearish, and confirmed bearish. So now expectational order flow would be lower high for lower low. So if you're scalping, you should be favoring shorts right now. You should not be favoring long. But the more macro pull, right? Let's just say, I'll do this in a different color. Your more macro pull was down, right? We SFP'd. It was actually this. It was, here, I'll make it blue. I'll make it like light blue. So your more macro pull, this is basically my structure bootcamp in one like sentence. Your more macro pull was this SFP. So your expectational order flow is higher, right? But because we hit into an order block, which we said in the Discord earlier today, because we hit an order block and now we have that structure change, we can expect our 15-minute pullback because we broke structure on the 15. So now what we can look for is this to continue. So we're going to be looking for a structure change to happen somewhere down here, and if and when this happens, this confirms our target for up here. And then what will happen is your 15-minute line, which is the yellow, will line up with your blue, And then we will decide what happens at this SFP level, at this green line. So that's what's happening literally right now in the moment. See you later, bruv. Confused by Bitcoin? Yeah, my boyfriend is way taller than you. Oh man, that is hilarious. That is hilarious. See you later, Nick. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. And we young right now. Yeah, Trudeau's coming for my taxes. Dude, ETH 4-hour time frame comparison of ETH and BTC. Like on Market Cipher. What about what you've done? It's about what you're doing. ETH looks weak right now. ETH looks weak to me. Look it up. Look, okay, I always say trade ETH. Yeah, ETH looks weak to me. Look, we always say trade ETH and BTC relative to each other. And keep in mind, I haven't done full analysis here. But ETH didn't take the low, which is more bearish. And ETH is struggling to even take these highs, which is also more bearish. Bitcoin at least took its low and then broke structure bullishly. But ETH has like been lagging behind. So ETH does not look as bullish. Obviously, things can change if structure changes. But, you know, we don't know. We don't know. Free Russ, what's up, brother? How you doing? All right, guys, listen. We're going to do the last giveaway, and then we're going to bounce, man. And then we're going to bounce. We've been on live for an hour and a half. I'm going to do the giveaway, and then we're going to bounce. So let's pick a song. Let's stop walking. Today was leg day. It ain't about what you done. It's about what you're doing. Okay, let's, oh, man, sometimes I finish stream and I'm like, yo, like, oof. With the pimps in the cribs, ma, drop a like is hot, drop a like is hot. When the shorty's trying to play at you. Drop a like is hot, drop a like is hot. This is a banger. What a banger. Woo! So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. All right, guys, listen. What rock song should we do? We're going to do the giveaway one more time. So listen, guys, if you are just tuning in right now, you are in perfect timing. We hit 200 likes, which means we are doing 2 giveaways today. We already did one, and you have a chance to win one of my 4 boot camps, which is going to teach you exactly how I get into my positions and how I trade. And I'm not in any positions right now. Full disclosure. Right. You'll be able to answer this question, right? What is the next Bitcoin move if you get my giveaway? So, everybody go to that link. Hit the like button. Drop a comment. Don't care what the comment says. And make sure it has a fish emoji. Yeah, bro. Go back. Go back. I was watching your course this morning, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, bro. I'm glad you like it, man. Glad you like it. Metallica, The More I See. I don't know that song in the slightest. I literally don't know it at all. We were pictures of the night. Da, 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 da. She took my arm. So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding. Shut up and dance with me. Hold on, let me go to my rock playlist. Cause I got paper girl, the Lamborghini, with the spider side seats. You never seen it so good. Let's do. I have a good one. Oh my days. So don't you dare look back. Guys, go like the video and drop the comment on that for a chance to win. Let's see if this is a good key. I don't know. Whatever. All right, giveaway is now and then as I see her face, special place, down and cry, yeah. Now and then I don't get it, every night. All right, guys, the winner of the giveaway is... Did I roll it? Guys, did I roll it? I actually genuinely don't know. I wasn't even paying attention. Can somebody tell me if I rolled that? Can show me how to down. Shake it on the floor like damn. Why you ask when we see that it's roll. Yo, did I roll that? I actually don't know if I rolled that. Can somebody like tell me? I'm gonna go back because I actually like genuinely don't know. I don't want to cheat that person. Did I roll it? Am I tripping? I'm tripping. So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. And I no holding back. I did. Okay. All right, well then, Lauren Mogg. Congratulations, my friend. You are the winner of the bootcamp giveaway. You know what to do, my friend. Head over to the video that you have. Make sure the like button is clicked. Yes, it matters. Take a screenshot of this. Send us a DM and let us know what you are looking for in terms of which boot camp you want. Guys, that's all I got for you for today. I will see you on Monday. For my VIP members, I will see you later this weekend.
set my